Always the 10 mil.
That's snug. Engine's breathing a little easier now.
That'll do it. Runs like new.
Snug, no leaks. It's a good sign.
Let's see what we got here. Threads feel clean, a little bit of grime. We'll wipe that off. Cap's good, nothing stripped. Snugging this down.
Name's Ray. I've been under hoods like this for over 20 years. Every engine tells its story if you listen close enough. Tighten what needs tightening, feed it good oil, keep the connections clean. Do that and she'll treat you right.
Let's have a look under here. Dust first. Always want to start with a clean surface. These bolts are snug, but not tight enough to fight you. There we go. Valve cover off. Camshafts look good. Film of clean oil, no scoring. I'll shine a light in so you can see what I see.
Hood up, sunlight in. Wipe down the manifold, check for loose fittings. This bolt still feels tight. Good. Pop the cover, see the cam, oil looks healthy. Plug coils back in, oil level's perfect. Valve cover back.
First, I check for any loose connections, damaged hoses, or visible oil leaks. Make sure every bolt is snug, connectors are clean, and oil level looks good. A clean valve cover and a steady dipstick tell me the engine's happy.